Let's talk about Velverdo CollaGum. It's a tooth powder that advertises support for both your gums and enamel. The company states it delivers collagen and essential minerals directly to your gum line. That sounds pretty great, doesn't it? They claim it assists in fortifying your gums, easing sensitivity, and promoting a healthier smile, all while you brush. But does it actually perform, or is this just smart advertising? Let's take a closer look. First, consider the before and after photos. Initially, they appear convincing. However, upon further inspection, things become doubtful. A reverse image search showed these pictures were taken from other sites. If a brand cannot provide authentic results, how can we have confidence in their item? Using altered or reused images is a major warning sign. Next, the statistics. Velverdo CollaGum reports that 99% of customers experience stronger, healthier gums within 2 weeks. 97% observed reduced sensitivity. 92% noticed a fuller gum line. Impressive figures, right? But here's the catch. There is no information about who conducted this survey. No laboratories, no medical associations, no independent research is cited. Without clear disclosure, these numbers seem like promotional exaggeration, not genuine science. Then there are the aggressive sales strategies. You've likely encountered them. Up to 70% off bundles. Buy 2, get 1 free. Buy 3, get 2 free. It creates a feeling that the emphasis is more on making a sale than on improving your gum health. These promotions encourage purchasing, but they don't validate the product's effectiveness. Now, let's examine the language used. Terms like rebuild, strengthen where it matters most, and soothe sound appealing. But there is minimal scientific proof that applying collagen directly to your gums through brushing is effective. The marketing tends to overstate typical gum changes related to aging or routine hygiene, making standard toothpaste or oral supplements appear inadequate. It's clever wording, but not substantive evidence. Finally, let's discuss customer feedback. The official website features shining testimonials, but they often seem overly refined, like promotional text. So we checked other sources. While there are no reviews on Trustpilot, discussions on Reddit were more candid. Users noted that collagen may support gum tissue, but is unlikely to reverse gum recession or serious periodontal issues. Some reported less bleeding during flossing, but most agree the powder isn't a magic solution. Some users combine it with vitamin C or other supplements, while others emphasize that professional dental care remains necessary. So what's the conclusion? Velverdo CollaGum appears to be more of a marketing-focused item than a validated dental treatment. With questionable before and after images, statistics unsupported by studies, and reviews that seem mostly promotional, brushing collagen onto your gums is improbable to repair or strengthen them, as the advertisements suggest. In short, proceed with caution. Conduct your own research and don't depend on attractive promises alone. Thanks for your time. If you found this useful, please like the video, share it, and subscribe for more straightforward evaluations. I'll see you next time.